If you're taking OChem 2 next semester, this video is for you because I'm going to go over 3 of the most important topics you're likely going to see in your OChem 2 class. Now, to preface this, everyone's professor, everyone's university is a little different, so you can't know exactly, but these are the 3 main things you're likely going to see based off my experience and the experiences of those people I know and students I have helped tutor. So, first one is synthesis and retrosynthesis. You should have already started covering this in Organic Chemistry 1. However, this is going to be even more complicated, more important. So you're going to see more complicated syntheses, not just 1 or 2 step ones. You're going to see maybe like 3 or 4, 5, 6 step ones. Or what I see was called roadmap problems, where you had to get a specific product along the way and then do another transformation on it. Or more complex retrosynthesis. So you're going to get a more complex molecule that you have to retrosynthesize. Okay. Second, we're going to be focused on named reactions. So you learn just simple addition, substitution, elimination, style reactions. Now we're going to be putting all that together for specific applications. So there are named reactions, like here, I'll draw some here. So like the Wittig reaction that makes alkenes, or your Williamson ether synthesis, which makes ethers, or your Gabriel synthesis that makes an amine. So these all use substitution, elimination, addition, hydrolysis type chemistry, but they're now named reactions for a specific application. And third and last, which is I think one of the most important ones you're going to see, because some schools cover this a little bit in OChem 1, but a lot of them I see wait till OChem 2, and that is spectroscopy. And this is going to be your NMR, your FTIR, and then your mass spec, which is spectrometry, but it's usually taught in the same vein. Okay, so these are what you're really going to. This is for character elucidation, structural characterization, and you need to use these to determine the structure of a molecule, and you're going to have to use all of these to determine the structure of a molecule. And this is what really trips a lot of people up, because this stuff, it's like playing murder mystery. You got to figure out what the molecule is. So if you are looking for something to do over break, what can you focus on? Start practicing your synthesis, retrosynthesis. Look up some named reactions. You don't need to know them. Just read a little bit about them. And spectroscopy, read a little bit about it. How do you use it? What's the theory behind it? How do you know what's there? All right? If you just get a good jump on these, you're going to do great in OChem 2. Good luck, guys.